You need shea nut to make shea butter. The nuts are later crushed like this and roasted before sent to the grinding mill. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's about 5 a.m. this morning and I'm on my way to an auntie who will take us through the process of making shea butter. The weather is very cool. I've just rubbed myself with a cloth over here, trying to protect myself from the cold. Yes, so see you when I get to my auntie's place. So I just go to auntie's place and she's around. She has gone to fetch water, but she has already beat her first batch and she has started boiling it. So she'll take us through the process with the second one, which is over here. And if you can see, this is like this. So usually it's like this before water is added to it. You see, it looks like chocolate. Auntie is finally here to take us through the process. She started by adding the paste to the water. Shea butter is known in Kasim as serunuga. So nduke mama na langu kukwenta bega kakana ndiku mama.
Kakana ko mama. Na la san kade yalle. Casa. Inquare.
So, la martutu sukunanketem.
Nampere. Namagoto ni banganto. Nugamu tigre goto. Kanara pere ni to mama ine pungu.
Okay. So halfway through the process, I decided to help auntie with the beating. It was then I realized the thing was very heavy. Guys, this is no joke. She is getting some hot water to add to the paste. And then continue with the beating. She later rinses 3 times before boiling. So she's putting tamarind inside the oil. After the boiling, the oil is then taken from the fire and allowed to cool down before it's put in various containers and allowed to solidify. Our oil is ready. Can you see the amazing transformation? This is a true work of art. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and comment and share with family and friends. Akia Lady Day.